Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quickly assessing where water goes in your home. Start with the highest return fixes. First, locate obvious leaks and shut off running fixtures to stop waste immediately. Next, measure baseline use with a 7-day tracking window or your water bill so you know what to change. Once done, prioritize repairs and replacements. Focus on toilets, shower heads, and old appliances, because those save the most water per dollar spent and set you up for systematic reductions. You now execute the practical upgrades that cut daily consumption. Swap shower heads and aerators to 1.5.2, 0 GPM to maintain pressure while saving liters each minute. Replace or retrofit toilets to 1.28 GPF and add displacement devices where replacement isn't immediate. For outdoors, convert sprinklers to drip lines and set smart timers for early morning watering to reduce evaporation. While you work, monitor flow and timing. Small adjustments compound into substantial monthly savings and lower utility costs. You finish by establishing ongoing maintenance and a quick troubleshooting habit. Track your water use monthly and compare it to the baseline to confirm savings. Make small tweaks if numbers drift. Schedule routine checks for hoses, valves, and irrigation emitters every quarter to catch new leaks early. If you notice reduced flow after upgrades, inspect aerators, inline filters, and pressure regulators. Clogs or wrong settings often cause issues. One practical tip: keep a simple leak kit and replacement aerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.